Hey guys, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my Ford brand review. So I'm super excited to talk about Ford brand. So before going into the topic, let me tell you what is Ford brand. So Ford brand is a all-in-one branding software that helps you create and sell business branding visuals from a single dashboard in just three simple steps. So you'll get everything you need to succeed at selling your new branding service. So Ford brand will offer you infinite customization options to turn your idea into a brand so you can sell and customize over million stunning branding visuals to website owners, e-commerce store owners, local business owners and many more without any design or technical skills required. So this is the members area of our Ford brand. So they have dashboard, logos, mockups, logo videos, then brand design, agency toolkit, integrations, then they have support and training video. So you can watch the training video on here. So I'm going to give you some bonuses. So these are exclusive bonuses, especially made for me. So along with vendor bonuses, I'm also going to give you some bonuses. So first one bonus number one is MemberPal WordPress membership plugin. So this is the WordPress membership plugin turns your WordPress site into a membership site. So you can restrict premium content, create custom registration field and more. You can restrict or hide post page and custom post types, limit menu items to log in your users. Then bonus 2 is lead generation mastery. So you can intensify your lead generation process and enable you to dive into countless leads to boost your profits. So you can make success your counterpart. Just create high converting marketing pages with 10x hosting and generate high quality leads from your business without spending a fortune. So next bonus will be build an unshakable business. So build an long-term sustainable and a reliable online business doing this and build an unshakable business model. So whether you promote your product in from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Commissions, Junction, Maxi Bounty, you need to do this in 2022 to survey strive and make money online. So these are tips to build an unshakable business. So then bonus 4 will be affiliate marketing with blogs. So in this course we are going to learn to write the article step by step and how to focus on a keyword and use variation of that phrase so that Google gets a good idea about what exactly your post is about so they can rank you. The bonus 5 will be on the anatomy of a high converting landing pages. So in this course you are going to learn anatomy of a high converting landing page. So there is a formula and I'm about to share it with you. And as long as you follow the formula step by step, you should produce better results for them. Then bonus 6 will be website conversation rate. So in this recorded webinar, you'll discover the 5 key elements of a successful website and mistakes that people make and the things you need to think about when creating the right message and how to increase your website conversation rate. So bonus 7 will be sales technique that get people to buy. So in this video, you'll discovers 5 simple sales technique to close more sales using consultative consultative consulting and proven sales strategy to make over 1 million in sales in 18 months. So the bonus 8 will be with builder. So this is also a VP page builder plugin to create video sales page. So you can build a responsive video sales page and manage your content easily with an intuitive builder editor. Create video sales page for your products that load 85% faster than traditional WordPress pages. So the bonus 9 will be homepage design secrets. So for a website, homepage is very important. So for a high converting website, homepage is important and makes sense to include a lot of user. So conversation focused content directly on your homepage, and when it might make more sense to just funnel people to other pages that might help satisfy their unique interest. So all of the above bonuses will be instantly available inside of your account, 100% free once you purchase from the my link. So just click on this green button, so that will take you to the sales page. You can purchase the product or you can get any upgrade. So let me take you to the, so I have given the demo video on the bonus link. You can watch it on the bonus page also. So I have given the bonus page link in the description box below. Give it a go. So this works in 3 steps. So step 1 is select template, so you can generate over 300 million stunning visuals. Then step 2, you just customize, simply drag and drop elements to redesign the existing template to match your brand identity. So you can, step 3 is download and sell. Download your final visual with the click of button. Just click on the green button so that it will take you to the sales page and you can purchase the product from that. So this contains access to 4-in-1 branding suite, 10,000 plus multicolor logo icons, over 300 plus fonts, 50 mockup templates, 10 logo intro video templates, 100 logo templates, 100 brand design templates, 300 ready to use templates, access to create unlimited logo designs, beginner friendly interface, breakthrough visual creators, rendered HD logo intro videos, training and tutorials, and commercial license also included. So the prices comes in front end price. They have personal and commercial. The personal price is $37, while commercial is $39. The OTO 1 for brand unlimited is, the annual price is $67, but one time price is just $97. Then OTO 2, the template club, per month they have $37, but annual price is $197. Then OTO 3 is agency. They have for brand agency, one time price is $59. Then OTO 4 is, they have for brand local toolkit. The one time price is $37. So let me tell you what will they have in all the OTOs. So the first one is for brand commercial. First one, they have access to 4-in-1 branding. So you can create 25 designs per month, 10,000 plus multiple color logo icons, over 300 plus fonts, 50 plus mockup templates, logo intro video templates, access to mockup templates, the 300 ready to use templates, access to create unlimited logo designs, beginner friendly interface, breakthrough visual creators, render HD logo intro videos, training and tutorials, commercial license included. So you can just click on, if you want for brand front and commercial, you can click this button. If you want for brand front end starter, you just need to click on whatever the front end you want. Just click on that button, it will take you to that page directly. So next to OTO 1, they have for brand unlimited. First one is, you can create unlimited logo designs as well, upload your own icons, unlimited access to their icon wallet, then unlimited access to their full font collection, then feature to upload own font, text manipulation features, 50 more logo, website, video templates, 100 plus more mockup templates, 300 plus background audio, upload background audio, upload your own logo designs. So you just need, if you want to purchase for brand unlimited, just click on this button. Then they have for brand template club, that is a new logo video templates monthly, new logo templates monthly, new mockup templates monthly, new brand design templates monthly, and access to give suggestion for monthly templates. Then they have if you want to get for brand template club, just click on this blue button. Then for brand agency, OTO 3 will be, you can unlock brand agency creation, website builder, website templates, autoresponder integration, host websites on custom domain or subdomain, add unlimited agency users, process process payment using PayPal and Stripe integrations, launch up to 5 branding agency. Everything you need to grow and scale your agents while building, land new clients and close your more deals. Contract templates, agency website copy, client closing email sequencing, phone call closing sequence, promo video templates, sales pitch or template, presentation templates. Then if you want to purchase the 4 brand agency, just click on this button. Then they have OTO 4, that is 4 brand tool, local toolkit. The first one is you can have Fiverr startup training, Upwork startup training, custom Upwork fever audit, Upwork profile done for you templates, freelance video promo templates, prospecting, clients acquisition kit, custom agency licensed certificate, web banners and Google banners, client proposition, pitch deck, contract draft, Facebook and create job find app. So these are 4 OTOs. If you want to purchase all the respective OTOs, click on that respective blue buttons that will take you to that or sales page respectively. So the vendor is also going to give you some bonuses. Some bonus one is 3 sales video presentation templates. The bonus 2 is ad source. The bonus 3 is done for your thumbnail. And the bonus 4 will be Instagram zero to hero. And the bonus 5 will be video creation resources. These are the bonuses that vendor is going to give you along with my bonuses. So these are my bonuses. These bonuses are exclusively made by me for you. You will get the bonuses along my bonuses along with the vendor bonuses if you purchase from my link. So just click on any of this green button that will take you to the sales page and you can purchase the product from there. So 4 brand is a branding suite at one time price. So you can create stunning branding visuals with just 3 clicks, no design or technical skills required. So you can also create and sell branding visuals for $300 each. You can create sensational branding graphics and visuals for all social platforms in all languages, sizes and dimensions. So over 300 million customization to create all support of branding visuals from just one platform. You can start your own branding agency and sell the branding assets you create for top dollar to maximize revenues. You can also sell branding visuals for profit or use them in unlimited client projects and keep all of the revenues. So resale rights to all the assets you create are included. So you can just pay once for all the branding features and unlimited usages of all features. There are no subscription or monthly cost. So just click on the green button. Don't miss this and wonderful opportunity. And the OTO comes for 4 OTOs and the front end price. So just grab all of my bonuses just by clicking on the link below in the description box. That will take you to the sales page. So don't lose this wonderful opportunity. So grab all of my bonuses along with the vendor bonuses. So thank you, see you in the next.